So, I just found a way to use Sora to create actual long-form videos, and trust me, this is insane. We all know Sora 2 has been trending everywhere because of its realistic physics, perfect lip sync, and overall cinematic quality. But the problem is, you need an invite code, it's not available in every region, and it's still limited to 25-second clips. Well, I just discovered a tool that not only gives you easy access to Sora 2, but also lets you generate up to 30-minute videos with it. Yes, 30 minutes. You can literally use Sora 2 to create full short films, full stories, long-form videos, completely next level. And the best part? You don't need to pay anything, because I'm giving 5 of my viewers a free 1-month subscription. So stay tuned for the full tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more powerful AI tools like this. So let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Video Inno AI. Don't worry, as always, the link will be in the description. Now, as you can see, this tool can generate complete stories using their Video 1 model. This is actually the world's first platform that integrates Sora 2, allowing you to create up to 30-minute cinematic videos with just one click. Yes, you heard that right, 30 minutes. We all know how limited AI tools like Sora 2 usually are, but this platform removes that limitation completely. It boosts the usual 20-second limit all the way to 30 minutes, which is insane. So, this is the tutorial page, and here are some featured videos. But let's skip the chit-chat and simply log in. As always, we log in with our Google account. As you can see, they also have an advanced Video 2 model, which is premium, and make sure you stay tuned, because they're giving away 5 Pro accounts for free. So watch the video till the end to find out how to participate. First of all, let's go ahead and generate a short story video. They give you 500 free credits. Our project has been created, and all we need to do is add our story preview and select our settings. So I paste my idea for story. Here, we can choose either Smart Script or Basic, but we'll leave it on Smart Script. For the style, I'll choose this Zootopia style animation, which looks really cool. For the duration, this tool can go all the way up to 30 minutes, so I wasn't kidding, it can generate very long videos. But for now, let's set the length to 3 minutes. We'll leave the aspect ratio on landscape. It can generate in multiple languages, but as always, we'll choose English and click create. Now it has started generating the synopsis. And in no time, the synopsis is ready. Honestly, it looks perfect. Here is the cast section. We can regenerate characters, edit them, or even replace them with our own custom characters. We can also click here to let the AI generate a new character image, and it updates instantly. Scrolling down, you can see the full script broken scene by scene, and these are the key short previews. Everything looks great. We can also edit the project name, but for now let's click next, and it will generate the full storyboard. In a few moments, the storyboard is done. Everything looks perfect. Here, we can edit specific elements of each shot. We can regenerate any shot for free, and we can also animate them. Let's click next, then click animate all, and move forward. Now pay attention to this part. This tool integrates Sora 2 for long-form video generation, and it also includes other models like Veo 3.1 and WAN 2.5, which is amazing. We'll select Sora 2, click confirm, and it will start animating every storyboard scene. After it finishes, make sure to check each scene. If any scene isn't perfect, just regenerate it so all scenes look clean. Then click next. Now we are in the editing section, where we can customize the cover. We can choose the title, cover style, and they have lots of options. Next is the subtitle style, pick whichever works best. We can also select background music. Let's choose this one, it sounds nice. Once everything is selected, adjust the volume if needed and click generate. It will process everything and compile the full video. And now it's done generating. Here is the title, and here is our final output.
The Great Clock Escape.
No more ticking. I'm taking a break.
Hey, it's running away! The clock is moving! Quick, we have to catch it before it goes too far! Freedom! No more schedules! Just running!
Wait, you'll get dusty!
It's humidity! Gear corrosion!
Whoa!
Chase, look up.
I am looking up!
Ticking heavens.
Okay, let's go slower, but we must follow.
Right behind you.
This floor moves too smoothly. I need friction.
See that, you digital busybody?
You can't archive my soul!
It's still scanning. Got it. Hang on tight. Something's opening.
Oh, tick and tock!
Sand. It's getting into my gears. Why is everything so heavy and slow here?
Time isn't just about ticking fast, Character 2. It's about putting in the work over a long time. That's how you build something that lasts.
All right. I can see the front door. You win this time.
You made it. We were starting to think you wouldn't.
Just needed one more push.
Almost there. Just a little more polish.
I've got it steady. He isn't leaning anymore.
Feels proper again. Thank you, little kid.
It's okay to need a break, Clock. But time keeps moving whether we watch it or not.
We saw big dinosaurs and tall buildings, but you're important right here.
Thank you, both of you.
You are right, children. Ticking all day is tedious, but watching the world change, even slowly, is the real adventure. I promise to appreciate the moments between the ticks.
We'll hold you to it.
See, it's amazing. Video Inu did a really good job. The story is easy to understand and the character consistency is perfect. After that, you can just download the video. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is how to use Sora 2 completely for free. Just click here on Create, and as you can see, Sora 2 is right here. We can enter a prompt like this, and it will generate a 10-second video with audio. So let's click on it. And it's done. This is what it generated.
Okay, we're starting with some gentle mobility to wake everything up. Shoulders forward, breathe into that upper back, let it go. Quick check, I'm just gonna nudge this up a bit.
It looks beautiful, and overall, the result is impressive, expected from Sora 2. You can also download it directly from here. Now let's move on to the giveaway. This tool is giving away 5 free pro memberships. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is sign up using the link in the description, like and subscribe. Comment what you like about Video Inu and what improvements you hope to see. And don't forget to join our Discord server. You'll get access to all the prompts I use, all the videos generated in this series, plus a complete social media growth plan and much more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.